Happy Father's Day. Father. A male parent or someone who fills the role of a father figure. Dad. An informal term for father, often used affectionately. Daddy. A term used by young children to refer to their father. Papa. A term used to affectionately refer to one's father. Parenting. The act of raising and nurturing a child. Appreciation. The recognition and gratitude for someone's value or efforts. Family. A group of individuals related by blood, marriage, or adoption. Support. Providing assistance, encouragement, or aid. Memories. Recollections of past experiences or events. Quality time. Spending meaningful and dedicated time with someone, giving them undivided attention.